Hi, this is Rochelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am working on organizing some stickers, so I thought I would bring you along with me. So I have this personal size clear binder that I picked up from Five Below earlier this year. This is the information that was on the back. I just took the label off. And then this is the label on the front. It says Kwai binder. I shared this previously. I took the pages out that were in here, so I have those and I can use them later. I left sticker sheets in here, but I'm finding them distracting now, so I'm going to move them to the back. And what I have in here, even though this is personal size, you can see the difference maybe with the sticker sheet and the papers. These are release papers. Basically, they are the backing from stickers, just a little bit better quality though. And the release surface is on both sides, where the sticker paper it doesn't have that release surface on the back. And the reason I don't specifically use the leftover sticker paper like this is a lot of times during the kiss cutting process, the blade will cut into the release paper. This is an example of that, and it happens with mine too. So you see there, it kind of cut all the way through, and I don't think that's like a clean, yeah, see, it cut. You can see where it cut. I mean, it'll work in a pinch, but it's not really ideal. So I picked up these 4x6 release papers from Temu. They do sell release paper on Amazon in different sizes. These are 4x6. I think you can get like letter size or A4 size, but I'm okay with the A6 for now because it fits in this notebook just fine. So I'm just going to start organizing some of these. I've already taken off some of the boxes. These are a lot of leftover stickers, and if you want to keep your leftover stickers, this is a good way to do it. I kind of want to organize, maybe put all boxes, maybe specific holidays, kind of what I've started. Headers, I don't know about the deco. I kind of put that there because it all was on one sheet. And then scripts. Again, that one is kind of like an icon deco. But then I want to have like abstract deco and maybe florals, even though I pretty much use up all of my florals. So, anywho, so that is what I'm doing with that. Here's another leftover part of a quote. So maybe I should do quotes separately from, even though I have quotes on here. I think I'm going to do quotes separately. And eventually I'll put dividers in here and, have this organized where I can just see at a glance. But I really want to get rid of some of these almost empty sheets. So this is deco. Do I have a sheet specifically for deco? Let's make one. And then because it's on rings and because it's on rings and I have quite a few of the 4x6 release papers, I can build this out as much as I want. So let me grab some more papers because I think I'm going to need them. So they came like this. It's 200 sheets. I don't remember what the price was, but if I can find it, I will post it on the screen for you. And I'll try to find the actual product and link to it if you're interested. I'll try to find it on Amazon too, because I know a lot of people don't like to shop Temu, but really I've started to check if I find something on Amazon that I like or want to purchase. I kind of check on Temu. If it's crafty related, yeah, I'll check on Temu and see if they have it, and a lot of times they do. I bought a bag on Amazon several years ago, and I found it on Temu for less than half the price. So, and they still sell that same bag on Amazon. So that's interesting. I don't know. The only thing with Temu is I do not want to have the app on my phone. I find it a little strange that they are pushing so hard for you to download that app. So I just use it through my browser. It's annoying because they have pop-ups and stuff, but I don't know why they're trying to get on my phone so so bad. So I don't install that on my phone. Let's see if I can do multiple sheets, because I was just doing one sheet at a time because I'm not sure about this hole punch. This is an adjustable hole punch, so I can change the size that it'll punch. It'll punch up to A5 or half letter. But sometimes it does not cooperate. But it does pretty good with this release paper, I have to say, because I just did 3 sheets at one time and it was no big deal. Okay, so let's add these. That was a big chunk. So that gives us more room to organize. I'm going to put this on deco. But what kind of deco? This kind of deco. And I'm going to try and not touch the stickers too much because I don't want them to lose their stick. This seems pretty good with holding the stickers. This is used for diamond painting. So if you look for diamond painting supplies or specifically release papers, you should be able to find it. And see, these don't want to come off. So I need to start going through my big sticker books too and removing pages and taking out pages with like 1 sticker left. There we go. Had to touch it. So, but this is just an idea on how you can organize those little leftover bits to make sure that they get used. This is a good project to prepare your planner stash for the new year so that you make sure you use everything that you have. Just adding another sticker book to my collection. So that sheet is done. Here we go with more deco. It's going to be cool once I get the dividers in here. And I do have templates on my in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com for tab dividers. So that's an option. Let's deal with this one. This is more deco. Or should I call this floral? Let's call that floral. And then we'll go back to the boxes. So this is fairly simple. It's a relaxing, easy thing to do. And if you like laying down stickers, let's save that one. So this is going to be seasonal. I think I'm going to move him to seasonal. Make these more functional up front. Let's start seasonal here. Even though I probably should keep all the deco together. What I'll do is move all the deco before all the seasonal, if that makes sense. I think that would be a good way because I don't want to have seasonal separate and then miss that I have something. So if I keep it with the deco, I'll always flip through it. Well, that came off. Let's see if I can get it up with the tweezers. There we go. I probably should have did a live stream for this, but I just kind of came in here. It's early in the day and decided I'm going to work on this. And then after I finish this, I'm going to work on one of my craft projects. If you haven't been tuning in to Journal Life's Journey, I have been posting some of the things that I'm working on there. You can check it out. Maybe subscribe while you're there. Give me a like or leave me a comment. That would be awesome. So that's done. These have a lot on them. That's maybe why I am deterred from using them, but maybe this won't be a floral page. This will just be another deco page that I can use maybe as Mother's Day, because I think that's what it was for. Yep, Mother's Day. And then here I go breaking the stickers carefully. That's like a Mother's Day card. Yeah, so I guess this should be with seasonal or occasions or holidays. How you want to describe it. So I'm not going to keep you while I sit here and enjoy doing this. I will come back and share how I'm reorganizing the big sticker books. I just want to get these few pages. When I opened my drawer, they were staring at me. So I said, well, let me go ahead and take care of that. So there's another page down. Let's put boxes with boxes. Even though I should probably keep these with Mother's Day, I think I can use them any place. So I'm trying to lay them down straight, but it doesn't have to be perfect, right? And then I'm going to start on the back. See, that's what I like about this. There's no wasted space. You can use the front and the back. So if I use these leftovers, I can. I guess I'm going to save the dots too. I'll have to move this page later. I think this is just going to be straight out deco. Let's do the dots. Now this part here is very tedious to me because these are so tiny, but it can be done and it's worth it to keep them. It's not so bad if you got your tweezers. And I'm not sure if you could do this same thing with wax paper. You may be able to. But I have found that sometimes, depending on the wax paper, the stickers will, if they stay on, you know, after they stick to the wax paper for an extended period of time, it will actually stick to the wax paper like it does regular paper. So you kind of have to be careful with that. But it could work. Okay, so then there's the dots. Let's do the page for icons. And maybe I'll try to keep the icons together in a row. So this is shopping. And what is this? This is trash. Or recycling. So then when I have more of those, I can just go down the page. Here we go. So I should have just done this page with to-dos and tasks and goals. These are really hard to put down straight, so I'm not trying too hard. I'm just getting them on the paper. This is something you can maybe do while you're sitting down watching a movie or watching YouTube. Okay, another empty sheet. It just keeps all the bits and pieces from floating around. Have them all organized in one place. Okay. So that was all the sheets that I had tucked in here. I have lots more to do, but I'm going to stop there. I just wanted to share that a little bit. So if you want to see more sticker organization, let me know in the comments. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.